If you're looking for tips to achieve success on YouTube, here are 5 key recommendations. Consistent and high-quality content. Consistency is crucial on YouTube. Regularly uploading high-quality content will keep your audience engaged and encourage them to subscribe to your channel. Plan your content in advance and stick to a consistent upload schedule. Ensure that your videos are well-produced, visually appealing, and provide value to your viewers. Audience engagement. Engage with your audience by responding to comments, asking for feedback, and creating a sense of community. Encourage viewers to interact with your content by asking questions, conducting polls, or hosting giveaways. Engaging with your audience not only helps build loyalty but also provides valuable insights into their preferences and interests. Video SEO optimization. Search engine optimization, SEO, is important for YouTube's success. Optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags with relevant keywords to improve discoverability. Additionally, create eye-catching thumbnails and use accurate timestamps to enhance the viewer experience. YouTube's algorithm favors videos that are optimized for SEO, increasing the chances of appearing in search results and recommended video sections. Collaboration and networking. Collaborating with other YouTubers in your niche can expand your reach and attract new viewers. Look for opportunities to collaborate on videos, interviews, or guest appearances. Networking with other creators can also provide valuable insights, support, and potential cross-promotion opportunities. Actively participate in relevant online communities, forums, or social media groups to connect with like-minded creators. Promote your channel. Don't rely solely on YouTube's algorithm to grow your channel. Actively promote your content on other social media platforms such as Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, or TikTok. Cross-promote your videos on these platforms and engage with potential viewers who may not be aware of your YouTube presence. Utilize effective marketing techniques such as creating teasers, sharing behind-the-scenes footage, or creating compelling trailers to pique curiosity and drive traffic to your channel. Remember that building a successful YouTube channel takes time, effort, and perseverance. Continuously analyze your performance, learn from your successes and failures, and adapt your content strategy accordingly. Stay true to your unique voice and style, and most importantly, enjoy the process of creating content that you are passionate about.